In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up your sales settings in QuickBooks Online. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what to look for, so your invoices, estimates, and sales forms work the way you want. First, head to the top right corner of your QuickBooks Online screen and click the gear icon. This opens your main setup menu. From there, select Account and Settings. This is your control center for the way QuickBooks behaves, and it's where all the sales preferences live. On the left panel, click the Sales tab. This page is organized into sections that affect how your sales forms look and what information they include. Take a moment to scroll through and get familiar with what's available. Start by reviewing your default terms and preferences. If you typically want invoices due in a certain number of days, set that as your default so each new invoice automatically uses it. If you charge for shipping, you can turn on shipping fields so that detail appears on your forms. Custom transaction numbers can also be enabled if you use your own numbering system. Next, look at the sales form content options. Here you can add custom fields to capture details your business needs, like a project code or internal reference. You can also decide whether to show a service date, discounts, or deposits on your forms. These small choices make your invoices clearer and reduce back and forth with customers. Under Products and Services, choose how you want items to display. If you use SKUs, turn that on. If you track quantity or inventory, enable tracking so QuickBooks can help you monitor stock levels and rates as you sell. Accuracy here saves time on reporting and reduces mistakes at checkout. Check your Messages section to set friendly, professional default messages for invoices, estimates, and sales receipts. Consistent wording helps customers know what to expect and speeds up payments. Then review online delivery settings. Decide whether you want to attach a PDF, send a simple email, or provide a link to view and pay online. Choose the option that best fits your customers' habits. If your business charges late fees, you can set up a standard late fee rule here so it applies automatically when an invoice is overdue. And if you send statements, choose the format that matches how you communicate account activity to your customers. Once you've made your changes, click Done. That saves everything and applies it to future transactions. If you're unsure about any setting, you can always come back and adjust it later. And that's it. Your sales settings are now set up in QuickBooks Online.